I think for a young person who these are dollars and cents, it's not a very convincing argument to do it for, America, do it.
And this is exactly why we're so concerned about these extra enhanced tax credits expiring, because enrollment has grown 50% since they were put in place. What we hear when you go out and talk to Pennsylvanians is that their number one barrier to coverage is cost. And so the enhanced tax credits have had a really direct impact on addressing that barrier and allowing people to enroll who've never been able to enroll in coverage before.
And I think for a young person who these are dollars and cents, it's not a very convincing argument to do it for, America, do it for the rest of the people who are sick. But I think if people understand the financial impact of an unexpected health emergency where even if, your premium was $1,000 a month, $12,000 a year, you could recover from. And it can happen so quickly. We have such an advanced technology medical system where the capabilities are there, but they come at a cost. So I think that's something people really have to remember, that a little bit of strain versus something that could totally take you out the game is two different things.
Yeah, I think of my husband when we were in our 20s. I think he considered himself fit and not really susceptible to getting injured. And he was playing a baseball game with his friends and he tore his patellar tendon. He had to have surgery, to fix that. And there was a lot of extended care with that. Now, we were lucky to have insurance, but if we weren't, that's something that would have cost tens of thousands of dollars, right. Maybe nearly close to $100,000. So that's not something that, us in our 20s would have been able to really handle at all. So I think, that's just, you never know. And it's, not to scare people, but you really never know when you're going to get sick.
I mean, the only two people in my household who'd ever had surgery are my children. My son ended up needing 2 knee surgeries and some type of bone transplant, and he's still in his 20s. And my daughter broke her leg and in half and had to be hospitalized for a couple of days. So you really don't ever know.